All right, for today's tech tip, we're going to talk about cyber liability insurance, and we're doing it from beautiful Destin, Florida. Stay tuned. Cyber liability insurance is probably going to be one of the biggest factors that is going to help the industries of all types become more or to practice better cybersecurity hygiene. In doing so, the insurance companies are going to be able to start to enforce some basic methods, and they're going to do this by when you fill out your form to apply, they're going to ask you questions and you're going to have to answer. If you ever have questions on that, please don't hesitate to reach out. We can make short order of that work. But secondly, you really need to keep your cyber liability insurance in place because the average breach is costing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 for small to mid-sized businesses. And it's not if you just have a great backup and you're not going to need it, but it's in hiring attorneys and people to help with the overall forensics to see really what happened, so you can tell who you have to report the security incident or the security breach to. And finally, if you have a breach, you're going to find that you're very likely to have your current cyber liability insurance policy canceled at the end of term, and it's going to be very difficult to get new cyber liability insurance, and they're going to cause you to go and have a lot more controls or countermeasures in place, so you don't want to have a breach. Stay tuned. If you have questions, just let me know. Stay safe out there.